Our fourth floor has been more of a sharing moment. It has been a joyous moment. It has also turned into a dance floor at some point. We are choosing to remember the good, the fun moments. As we have been told, we are in a journey, and we will still meet up with her one day, one time.
No kuga pore nĩ ũndũ wa family ya Lucy na arĩa tũgomanĩte abo mũthĩ tũthiĩ na mbere na kũboera family yake arĩa mararutaga wĩra na Lucy thĩinĩ wa Inoro TV eta editor wao. Rĩrĩa ũrona rĩtwa rĩu rĩgĩ scroll Lucy Wairimu editor, you feeling something, na the thing that you are feeling ni kumaanisha alikuwa na impact.
A colleague that I came to respect, not just as a colleague but as a friend, because I had opportunities where she was invited and I was invited and we had moments together. And one thing that came through is the passion she had of making sure that everyone around her is comfortable and happy.